Hey guys, this is Stock Market Investor Live. So the news today is Ayala Unit secures funding for Australia solar farm. It's a solar farm. It's energy coming from the sun. So AC Energy, an Ayala company, the Ayala Group and its Australian partner have secured 619 million Australian dollars or around 23.1 billion pesos in bank financing for a 400 megawatt solar farm project in New South Wales, Australia. That's a loan. They have to pay it with fixed interest. And for how many years? So, is the earning enough to pay the interest and enough money left to pay the owners enough dividends? So, and how much and when? So we continue. In a press release on Monday, listed firm AC Energy Corporation said Australian banks Westpac and Commonwealth Bank of Australia, along with Bank of China, will provide debt financing for the initial stage of the project. Initial. That's only initial. That means it will not be complete. So they need more money for that to complete it. The financial closure for the project's first stage would cover 400 megawatt of alternating current out of a combined 720 megawatt of solar power and 400 megawatt hour lithium-ion battery storage. So you need lithium, mineral lithium, in order to make a battery storage. So looking at my wife and I's investment portfolio, my wife and I's investment portfolio. Okay, guys, my wife and I's. Okay, so today is February 16, 7 o'clock in the morning. This is my wife and I's investment portfolio. So, percentage of our portfolio is on AC Energy Corporation is 0.25%. So when opportunity come, we grab it. So it's an opportunity, but of course we enter or buy a company and own it with caution, of course. So with the news, so we'll be waiting to see whether we should add up more to our shares of our total shares in AC Energy of 400. So remember those three fellows, these three fellows, the buy fellow, the hold fellow, and that fellow in the driving a car, the sell fellow. So as I mentioned in the news that when the behavior of Australians, when they behave that instead of paying energy to those solar farms that provides energy, why not I buy my own solar panel? And if all Australians behave that way, AC Energy will not earn. So these total shares I own from AC Energy Corporation with 0.25% of my portfolio will now become a liability. And now that fellow who is driving a car will be my friend, buddy, That guy, that sell fellow will be my buddy. So anything that will be a liability is not an asset, because anything that earns is an asset. And when that asset do not earn, it's as a liability. And of course, if that asset no longer earn, what's the use of holding it? So that this 400 share, okay, it's a test buy, whether I will earn from AC Energy or not from their business. So whether they aim to be the largest renewable company in Southeast Asia, where anyway it dreaming is free, okay. Because I also aim to be the largest stock market investor in the world, of course. That is also our target. So we intend to invest not only here in the Philippines, but all over the world. So we intend to invest in the New York Stock Exchange, the London Stock Exchange. That is our long-term goal. So that's how we earn money. That's how our family earn money. So they say that when the father and the mother are investors, of course, the children are investors. And also their children and children and children are investors. So it runs in the family, and this is our aim. If we were not able to achieve in this generation, we will surely achieve it on the next generation and the coming generation. That is our goal. That is our target. So a big dream begin with small step, and that big dream and that action have already started. So we started investing in 2016 and until now. And today we are a full-time stock market investor. We earn from the company that we own. We do not earn from regular salaries for working for a company. We own the company and earn from it. Of course, that's how we make money. So that's why we bought AC Energy Corporation, for us to earn money. We do not work for money. We make our money work for us. And with that earning, so that we have more money to work for us. That's how to grow it. So we own Philinvest Land Inc. Incorporated, GMA Incorporated, Network Incorporated, Metropolitan Bank and Trust Company, and Manila Electric Company, and SPC Power Corporation. So just like how when we invested in SPC Power Corporation, we will only add ownership on this other company if we will earn. Because if we will not earn from them, they become a liability. So our buy fellow is our friend. So when there's an opportunity. And today, SPC Power Corporation, our best friend is that hold fellow. So until today, the sell fellow driving a car is still on the side, still driving. So he's not yet our buddy. So when we find an opportunity that we will earn from the dividend, we add more to the share. But if we see some clouds in the horizon, investment horizon, like AC Energy, yes, it's true, they can be a good renewable company in Australia. But however, what will happen if Australian people behave another way, like instead of buying solar power from that AC Energy, I make my own solar panel. I buy my own solar panel. I make my own so that I can be sustainable. I will not rely on those people and have it for free. So that will be a main consideration when we decide to add to this company. Aside from, of course, they have to give a good, attractive dividends to us. Okay guys, this is Stock Market Investor Life. Actually, we are full-time stock market investor. Then this is our life. Thank you for watching our video. See you on our next video.